everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we're installing 2017 Lexus RX 350. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the system and the feature that come with this fantastic system, okay? First of all, this system comes with the 4GB of RAM and 64GB storage memory. It also comes with the built-in wireless CarPlay, and it supports all the original features. I mean the original Lexus interface. You can see that it's right here. Everything is fully compatible. And it also supports the climate control too. All the temperature is going to show up on the screen as well. This one also come with 12.3 inches high definition screen. The screen is actually huge, you can see that. It's directly fit and it's very nice, okay? It's perfect fit. And I'm gonna show you how to use the system and how to operate the system first, okay? First of all, hold the manual button on the control panel for 3 seconds. And then you can switch to the new interface. Under the new interface, you will be able to have a lot of features here, like the internet, Google Chrome. You can also access the internet here. Hi, I'm going to show you how to use the system first, okay? You can also use the control knob to control all the buttons on the menu, okay? Everything is right here. When you click on the Lexus, it will bring you back to the original screen. Click the menu for another couple of seconds. It will bring you to the new Android interface, okay? This is the built-in navigation. It comes with the built-in map. You do not need to connect to any Wi-Fi to use the GPS, okay? Because it's built-in. How to use the GPS, the screen is really huge actually. I'm going to show you how to use the screen. First of all, click on the bottom right corner here and then click on the new row. And then you can just follow the instruction here. Enter the address. Pull down a little bit and then you will go to the menu. It also supports the Apple CarPlay as well, okay? You can also watch the movie from this fantastic screen.
Superhuman.
It also supports all the steering wheel control.
The mission has been compromised. We need help.
It's very nice. You can watch the movie here. And the screen resolution actually is very high. Other than that, you can also download any software to the system as well, okay? First of all, you will provide with the YouTube. You can also go to YouTube here. This is the newest version of the YouTube. But in order to use the YouTube, you probably need to connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot on the cell phone. You can also play the YouTube here. You can also download any software like the Tubi, Waze, Spotify, anything, okay? Or YouTube Music as well. This one is another application, like the Netflix. Perfect. And then click on the skip. Perfect. Now you can watch all the movie here. I'm gonna show you how to set up the system, okay? First of all, after the installation, if you want to connect to the Wi-Fi, or maybe if you want to set up the original camera, then just go to setting 88688123. And then you will bring you to this menu, and then you can go to car camera. If yours is CVBS, after the installation, if the original camera is not working, then you need to choose this one between the LVDS or CVBS. In this situation, we need to change it to CVBS, okay? Head-rest monitor control type is right here, rotary or touchpad, okay? Depends on which one, okay? And then UI choice, you don't need to change this one, okay? NX, you can change the NX here. RX, you can change that one too, okay? Driving detection, you don't need to turn it on for this one. Perfect, okay? And then there's a lot of setting here, but don't touch it if you don't have any problem with this one. Otherwise, you need to change it back. You will also change the main feature of the system too. Apple CarPlay is right here. I will also show you how to use the Apple CarPlay to radio area. I will set up the software for you, okay, before we ship out the system, okay? You can also connect to the Wi-Fi from here, okay? How to connect to the Wi-Fi? You basically need to pull down the menu from the top and then just go to here, go to setting, okay, network. Once you turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot, then you will be able to connect to the Wi-Fi. Now this is the reverse here. This is the reverse. camera, okay, from the original. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to use the Apple CarPlay right now, wireless CarPlay. Okay, so first of all, you need to go to your phone. Okay, go to setting. Okay, go to Bluetooth. Okay, and then connect to the Bluetooth. Perfect. Once you connect to the Bluetooth, and then you can look at the screen. Perfect. And then right now, okay, this is Apple CarPlay. Okay, you can also use this one to control it. As you can see, we already connected the Apple CarPlay, so basically you can just click on this one. We also support the split screen here, so basically how to use it, just click on the screen here, and then you can use the GPS here. And if you want to listen to the music from the phone, and then you can also go to the music app here. You can also make a phone call. You can also support all the apps right here. This is the Lexus right here.